In today's video, I'm going to show you guys exactly how to use an AI agent to write a full nonfiction book with tens of thousands of words in it, all using AI agents. Here's the big problem with most AI tools out there. They can only write a few hundred words at a time. But today, I'm going to show you guys an AI tool that can literally generate you a full nonfiction book with tens of thousands of words and even format it for Amazon KDP. So anyways, guys, let's get right into it. All right, so what we're gonna do right now is I just went ahead and set a 1 hour timer for us to create this entire AI nonfiction book. And we're literally going to write the entire thing in less than an hour to prove to you guys just how fast the AI is. All right, now before I even start writing my book, the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna start looking for book ideas for my nonfiction long content book. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna come here into Amazon and I'm gonna start looking for inspiration. I'm just gonna go ahead and search up historical books for men and let's see what kind of books we see here. So we click on this one with 58 reviews and we scroll all the way to the bottom. We can actually see that this book was actually self-published and it has a bestsellers rank of 26,000, which is actually really good for an AI book or self-published book. Now it looks like right now they're selling this book for $17.99 and at a bestseller rank of 26,000. Kip Scout estimates that this book is bringing in almost $3,000 a month in revenue. So what I'm thinking is for our book, I think I want to create an American history book, but I'm going to change it up a little bit. We're specifically going to do 20th century American history. So we're going to go a little bit more niche where our topic is going to be a little bit less broad, but it's going to be a little bit more specific. And I think that should be interesting. Now the tool we're going to be using today is called LitPal.ai. I'll leave it as the top link in the description. Today, we're specifically going to be using the nonfiction book generator here inside LitPal. So all I'm going to do is once I'm logged in and inside of the LitPal dashboard, I'm just going to head over to the nonfiction books tab right here. Then from inside of the nonfiction books tab, I'm just going to go ahead and click create new book. And here's where I'm going to start prompting for my nonfiction book. Now for the book template, I want to go with a more educational style because that kind of fits our historical theme a little bit more, I think. And for the book title, I'm just going to write in a generic title. I'm going to go 20th century American history. I'm going to go with that, but I am going to remove the word decoding because I think it might rank a little bit better if it's just 20th century American history. And for the book description, I'm just going to go ahead and have the AI generate this for me because it's going to help me come up with what's actually going to be inside the book. Looks like the AI went ahead and said that this is going to be a book that goes over the complexities of 20th century American history, politics, culture, and social movements. It's also going to go over the civil rights movement, the Cold War, and cultural changes. And it's basically just going to go over the entire history of America in the 20th century, which I think is pretty cool. For the writing options, I think I'm going to go with a more storytelling style. I think that would be a lot more interesting. And then for the target audience, I'm going to do adults over 40 because I think that's generally who's going to be buying these style of historical books. For the chapter length, I'm going to do full length over here. I'll just go with the max number of chapters, 20 chapters for 40 credits. And I'll also go ahead and include an introduction. And then I'm just going to go ahead and click generate book. Now the AI is going to generate the entire book outline for me. It's going to start writing out each of the chapters and the subpoints that each chapter is going to have. When you actually go ahead and make your first nonfiction or high content book, it's really important that you start off with a book outline. Book outlines are what's going to basically define exactly what's inside your book before you start writing it. Without any input from you, you might not get the result you want. But by letting the AI create a book outline for you first, you can actually get more of like you can actually get more customization out of the AI and it'll be easier to use. Now, if we look here, we can see that we have a whole bunch of different chapters here. First, we have the introduction, and it has the 3 subpoints here. I think this is really interesting. Now, one thing you can do if you want is inside of the chapters, you can actually customize what you want in them. So you can add a key point. So for example, I can add a key point to chapter 18 and I can say, add a chapter about the rise of the internet. And I could have that as a subpoint in chapter 18. Or if I wanted to, I could also remove subpoints and I could actually remove things from the chapter as well, if that's what you wanted. These subpoints are what the AI is going to use to actually help it come up with the ideas and the actual writing of the book. But anyways, now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go ahead and click generate book. And now it's going to start writing out the entire book. Now this will take quite a while because there's 21 entire chapters in this book. I'm just going to wait for the AI to finish writing out the entire book for me. And I'll come right back to you guys once it's done. All right, guys, so I just got back to the computer after waiting a while for my AI agent to finish up the book we generated earlier. And as we can see, it generated all 20 chapters and used 47 credits to create the book. So let's just go ahead and read the book. Now, guys, one thing that I'm super impressed by is the fact that this book generated with 95,000 words. It literally one-shotted the entire book, which is absolutely insane. But as you can see here, guys, there are 21 total chapters, 20 main chapters, and then there's like one introduction chapter that goes over the introduction of the book. What I'm going to show you guys right now is actually how to edit your book once you actually want to edit it. Because when you're creating a book this long, it's really highly likely that you're not just going to want to publish it as is. You're going to want to like go in there, maybe make a few changes here and there, add your own human touch to the book. So whilst you could just publish it as is, it's probably better that you read through it and make a few edits. So let me show you how to edit this super quickly using AI. First thing that we're going to do is let's say in chapter 14, I want to rewrite this first paragraph here. Now there's a few different tools I can use up here to make different changes to our book. So for example, I can click on the little rewrite button right here and it will rewrite this entire paragraph, change up the wording here. Then once I'm ready, I can just go ahead and click the little accept button if I want to accept it. Then if I want to expand the text, I can click on the little expand button right there and it will expand the text for me and it will literally make it longer. So then if I want to, I can accept it or I can regenerate it again if I wanted. I can come here, I can click shorten and I can shorten it back down into a shorter section. I can also click the little continue button and it will continue the chapter and continue writing it if I highlight it. I can also change the tone of my work here as well. So I can select the little tone button right here. I can select the formal, casual, engaging, or academic tone. Let's say I want to go with a more casual tone. I just like that. It just changed the tone. Now it's a little bit more casual in the writing. And I can even highlight all this and click the little visualize button right here. And it will actually use AI to generate an image for us. And it'll add an image to our nonfiction book, which is actually really nice because you'll be able to add really beautiful looking images into here super quickly using AI. So I'll just wait for that to generate. Just like that, I went ahead and added this really beautiful looking illustration here based on this here. So as we can see in this paragraph here, it's talking about the final years of the Cold War. All I did was I highlighted this using my cursor. I clicked the little visualize button and it created this beautiful looking graphic. And also a whole bunch of other basic editing tools inside of LitPal's nonfiction book editor here. For example, you can do, the basic things like bold and italicize and underline text if you want to do that. Once you're ready to actually export your entire nonfiction book and you want to get it onto Amazon, all you have to do is very quickly use the formatting tool here and you can actually format your entire nonfiction book inside LitPal. You can use other tools if you want. There are other formatting tools out there for books if you want even more customization. But if you want to just go super basic, you can go use LitPal's formatting tools inside here. And there are different theme presets here like modern, classic, elegant, minimal, and a whole bunch of different ones. Anyways, once you're ready, all you have to do is click on the little export button here in the top right corner, export it as a PDF. And it's literally going to give you a print ready PDF you can upload to Amazon for your nonfiction book. As we can see here, guys, we literally have a 507 page long book about American history, which is honestly insane. And we did that all generated using AI. Now, again, guys, I highly recommend that you read through the book, you edit it yourself, you add your own human personal touches to it. Obviously, once you actually have the full nonfiction book interior, you have the entire book done. It's very important that you also create a cover. And luckily, creating book covers is super easy to do inside of litpal.ai. All you have to do is come here to the book covers tool down here and you can create beautiful looking covers for your book. What to do here is come to this purple button right here, create new cover. Then for the book type, select nonfiction book as your book type. And for the trim size, I typically do like 6:9 for a nonfiction book, but you'll have to make sure that it matches the actual interior of your book. Then for the title, you would just reuse the title from your book here. So for the subtitle, you would just copy the subtitle of your book from earlier, paste it into the subtitle thing like that. And for the author name, you can just put in your own name. I'll put in my own for now, or if you have a ghost author name that you'd like to use instead, you can put that there. For the page count, you got to make sure that it matches your actual book. So for my book, it's 507 pages long. For the paper type, you can do white. For the binding type, I'll do paperback. For the cover style, I'm going to do, let's do realistic. Then for the description, I'm going to let the AI generate the description here. And then I'm just going to go ahead and click generate cover. Now, you need 95,000 words in your book. You can easily publish something that's like 50 or 60,000 words long and get the same result. It's important to keep in mind that KDP can sometimes have certain restrictions for the actual book size. So you have to make sure that you don't have too many pages in your book, because you will eventually have to get this onto KDP for printing if you're going to publish it. But anyways, guys, I'm just going to wait for the book cover to finish generating, and I'll come right back to you guys in just a few minutes. Just like that, guys, our book cover has finished generating. And as we can see, it actually looks pretty good. It was literally generated in like less than a few minutes. And obviously here, guys, it looks pretty nice. I haven't even added any edits to it at all, but just looking at the text on the front book cover, we can see that it looks really, really nice. The text on it looks beautiful. When you make a book cover, especially in LitPal or any other AI tool, it's really important that you make edits to it to really refine it. Right now, it looks a little bit basic, but honestly, for a first prompt, it looks really, really great. Just for a quick little basic overview of the book cover tool inside LitPal, all you have to do to make edits to it is just use the prompt bar down here. So you literally just describe what changes you want, and it'll change up the cover. So for example, here I have the front cover selected right now. If I want to make a change to it, I can. For example, let's say I want to change the color of the car here to blue. All I have to do is just tell the AI, "Hey AI, please make the car in this image blue instead of red." Then I just go ahead and send that prompt over to the AI, and it will literally change the thing for me. Just like that, guys, the car is now blue. But anyways, guys, once you're ready to export your book, all you have to do is come here to the top right corner, click on the full PDF button. And all you have to do is just literally click this button, and it will download the formatted PDF to your computer of your book. And just like that, guys, here we have the formatted PDF version of our book cover. Just like that, guys, we now have a full book we wrote using AI, and we literally wrote the whole thing in less than an hour. That just goes to show just how much AI has improved over the last few months. Now, obviously, before you publish a fully AI written book, I would highly recommend that you read through the whole thing, make sure that there are no errors, and make sure that it looks just how you want it. Make sure you always fact check everything and make sure everything is good for Amazon. But after you verified that everything in the book looks good, all you have to do is literally just export it like I showed you, customize it a little bit, make a book cover, and get it onto Amazon. And just guys, if you guys want to create AI books as quickly as possible, go ahead and check out litpal.ai. I'll leave it as the top link in the description. Please go ahead and subscribe. I really want to hit 100,000 subscribers on this YouTube channel, so it would really mean the world if you went ahead and subscribed. And as always, guys, stay excellent.